Thank you for joining me for another mini video episode where we pause and reflect so that we can continue much better. Focus of today's mini video is how do we set the rules for our decision making so that our decisions actually support us, our teams, our companies, even our families in creating what we want, achieving the goals or creating the experiences that we actually want to create. Now, let me start with saying what are the boundaries? Well, boundaries are a set of rules to protect what's important to us, what's okay and what's not okay. When it comes to decision making, let me ask you a question and myself so we can pause and reflect on this for a moment. What are your rules for your decision making? My guess is that your answer has some connection to what's important, valuable to you. Let's say some people could answer, well, I want to make decisions that don't harm anybody or that they don't harm animals. Let's say if somebody's creating some cosmetic products, they say, you know what, no matter what we do, we are not going to be testing on animals. So all these answers start showing what kind of values you want to protect, live into, show up as. As a leader, we want to be intentional about how do we want to show up with others? What kind of emotion we want to share with others? Because emotions are actually contagious. So if a leader is full of anxiety, the team might catch it as well. If a leader projects confidence, that also team members can feel more at ease and confident. But that would be for another topic. Let's stay focused on decision making and boundaries. So my next question, first one was, what kind of rules do you have? What kind of values do you want to follow and protect when you are making your decisions, be it at work or at home? You could have rules for family decision making. My next question is, notice, do you make more decisions based on these values that you want to protect, based on be intentional how you want to show up in your life, in your role at work, in your leadership position? Or do you also sometimes slip, like myself, sometimes you do emotional decisions? Let's say me, 4:30 in the morning, I make an emotional decision of staying in bed instead of going to the gym, as an example. Or it could be emotional decision of firing somebody when you are really angry. Somebody just did something and you say something that we might later regret or do something. So at these moments, decision based of emotions, it could be procrastination, decision to procrastinate, decision not to have the conversation that you suspect will be extremely uncomfortable. Let's say firing somebody or giving somebody a feedback that might not be comfortable to hear. And postponing that action is actually, again, decision. And that's decision based, let's say, on fear, on wanting to feel more comfort and avoid discomfort. So that's a decision made of emotions versus of the value of having a clear, safe communication, transparent communication, and actually empowering all parties, let's say, for example. So what is your answer? Can you notice when, let's say, you procrastinate or when you are not getting the results that you want, be it with your team, be it in your family, or even in your energy level, because our energy level directly impacts our productivity, at least mine. So whenever any area of your life is not working as well as you would like it to, notice what kind of decisions are you making in that area of your life, be it at work, personal. Are you making more emotion-based decision, or are you making decisions that are aligned with your values? Hopefully that answer will give you more clarity and more opportunities to actually create decisions, or just notice next time you want to procrastinate. Notice, am I making a decision based on how I want to feel right now? Or am I making a decision based off the bigger picture of what's really important in my life and what do I want to protect? I'll leave you with that, and I'll see you in some next video.